Sup beautiful people, welcome back to this channel. So if you have any Z Fold series Samsung device and if you're looking for a way to customize your ringtone and if you want to set it up with your Samsung device, and keep on watching this video. Because in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your favorite music on your device. Now, before I start telling you the process, guys, of course, you need to download your favorite music onto your device, okay? And afterward, you can check that music just by opening up your file manager, and you can tap the audio to check whether you have the music available on your device or not. So here, as you guys can see, we have downloaded all of the music, and we will show you how you can set it up. Now, to do this process, the first work you probably want to do with your device is easy and simple. Just head over to your settings and scroll down to your sound and vibrations and simply tap your ringtone. Well, right afterward, you're gonna see this little plus icon on top of your Samsung device. Just go ahead and tap in there, and here you're gonna get every music that you're gonna download for your device that will pop up right here. Just simply select the music and then go ahead and tap done. Well, right afterward, if I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down here, you'll be able to see the current music or that ringtone that I'm actually set up for this device. Now let me just go ahead and call to the Samsung Z Fold devices to check whether it is working or not. So let me just go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right now, the ringtone is coming and it is happening right on our device, and which we have set for this Samsung Z Fold series devices, okay? So this is what you can do if you want to set up your favorite music to your device. Well, if you find this video useful by any means, let us know about your opinion in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we will catch you up with another one.